This presentation is to show you how to create a class dojo setup for your class. First, log on to the internet and you go to www.classdojo.com. To sign up, you just go to sign up, and it's pretty typical stuff. You just type in your name and your email address. And then you're going to get an email, and you create a password and everything like that, and you register. They're going to send you something, and at your email address, you're going to figure it out. And once you do that, you're going to be able to log in. And it's going to be your email address. And once you log in, yeah, sure, you could save. You have this tour you could take, which is what I'm giving you now. And first thing you're going to want to do is start or add a class right here. And you could add anything you want. I'm going to do a 7th grade math class because that's what I teach. And you could probably name it by period. And after that, it's going to prompt you to add students. And it's actually really easy. It puts you on the screen right away, and you just type first name and last name. And I'm going to throw in some students here. All right, so now I have these students. And once you have the students, they come up with these little monster type avatars. And once you have the students, you can go to this behavior menu. And in the behavior menu, what's really nice, they give you some positive and negative behaviors. And you could do whatever you want with these. You can edit them, or you can add a behavior. So how about we add a teamwork one? So we can put teamwork in here, and if you work in a lot of groups and things like that, and you can kind of pick your particular thing. Let's do the handshake kind of one. And then you can add another one, whatever you want, or you can eliminate them. Let's eliminate, maybe we're not giving presentations. Maybe we're not doing anything creative, so we're not going to use those. Also, you could add a negative behavior, whatever you want. Let's put in not prepared, because I know students don't always bring their pencils, things like that, or their binder, so we can add not prepared and add a little avatar there. Okay. I don't know what that one is. Someone pushing someone off a desk or something. And you can hit the finish button, or you could play around with these however you want. And then once you have that, you can click on your class. And once you click on your class, let's go to Math 1, there's this Start Class button. So we're going to click on that, and here we see all of the students. And once you have these, you can click on these wherever you want. So Peggy, you did a good job of showing teamwork. And it creates that little sound, and the students, a lot of times, they know, well, after a little while, they'll know exactly what it is. Or Garth, good job helping others. Don, great insight. Dwight, you were out of your chair. And it creates that little sound, and they know what's going on there. Or Claire Huxtable, I saw you working hard, and Homer Simpson, you were late again. And Peggy Olson, great job helping people. Sally, you were not prepared for class. And Garth, you were working hard. So you kind of see these counters, and let's say Sally does something positive. It was -1, now it's back to 0. Or Dwight, he does something negative again. He was late, down to -2. But if he does something positive, if you notice this -2 right here, if he does something positive, it's going to go up to -1, or if he shows good teamwork, it's going to go up. What's nice about that is it's completely customizable. So I can go up here to class settings, and I can say, you know what, I don't really like showing them separate or together. I want to show them separate. So then if you do that, you can kind of see that it'll keep track of the green and the red. Or you can say, you know what, I just want to reward for positive behavior, so let's get rid of the negative. And maybe I don't want sounds, so I'll take those off too. And maybe I want to sort by last name instead of first name, and it'll kind of reorganize itself. So now you can see, and you can see that it has this running total here. You can also, let's say you click on Dwight and he had a great insight. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let me go to the undo button and it'll take that away. After that, you can kind of play around with everything and customize it the way you want to. And sometimes you're going to get so many students in here that you want them to spread out throughout the entire screen, so you can kind of make this bigger or smaller, however you want. After, let me add a couple more just so I can show you. Roger Sterling, you were out of your chair. Peggy, you were helping others again. Homer, you didn't do your homework. Now, at the end of class, we're going to click End Class. And we have this nice little graph now. And it shows us the percentage of students in every single area. We had some teamwork, we had some helping others, some participation, but we had a no homework here, an out of chair, a late. Go over here, and I can click on Homer and see specifically what did Homer do today. Oh, he didn't do his homework and he was late. Well, I can go down here and click on the no homework, and I can add a comment. I can say Homer missed page 23, numbers 1 through 10, whatever it is, and add that comment. And now we have that recorded, which is really nice. We don't have to hit save. It's already saved for us. And I could click on Peggy Olson. She's doing a great job in class. She showed teamwork. She's helping others. You know what? I'm going to email this to Peggy's mom. So I can click in right here, Peggy's mom at yahoo.com, whatever her thing is. And you could send all these at once if you want. You could do it weekly, whatever you want to do. And that's a really nice feature there. And what's nice about this part is that it's going to keep track of everything that you do in here, and you don't have to remember that then. And you can also do this. You can say, okay, just today. What did we do just today? What did we do since the beginning of the month? Or select a date, and that's going to be whatever you want to do. Maybe from the beginning of the school year, beginning of the semester, since Christmas, whatever you want to do there. And that's a really nice feature there. So after that, let me head to the Classes button. So this is a report cards function. You can click on that at any time. I'm going to go to Classes here. And from there, I'm going to click on here, Math 1. And you can hit this Choose Avatar button right here. And in the Choose Avatar button, you can customize any one of these students. And what I've done with my class is when they hit a certain amount of points, 10 points, 20 points, whatever it is, I let them choose their own avatar. So they can choose from one of these monsters, or they can choose from one of these critters, or you can even add your own. And when you hit Add Your Own, you can create a customizable file and add whatever pictures you want. So you can download them, hit this Browse button, go to any pictures you might have. So I'll go to my documents, and I'll go to Dojo Pics, where I've saved some before. And let me hit Phineas. And it's going to pop up here. And now I can grab Phineas Flynn and put him for Tom Hanks. And I could, let's do one more. Let me do Kyle from South Park. And I can drag him over and make him Roger Sterling, whatever I want to do there. So that's kind of nice, and the kids get into that. And I could do critters, and it's just a drag and drop. Don't even have to save. It's just going to be in there. And from there, I have my classes set up. And you can kind of see, if you click on My Classes, I've been doing this for a little while, and I can click on Report Cards and view my third period reports. And click on someone here and see that we have some really nice data. So that's kind of nice. So there are a lot of great features to this. And even another great feature is to use your smartphone. So if you have an iPhone or whatever, you can click on this and you can set it up here. Or if you have an iPad, you need either 3G or wireless. and it gives you the directions right here, which is kind of nice. And I haven't been able to use that in my class because I don't have Wi-Fi, but I've used it in the Wi-Fi region, and it's been a really nice feature. So there's some really nice things here, and there's always more things coming. And there's this new feature area where you can go and submit ideas, kind of like on a forum, and it's been really good. And you can even get more avatars and do all different sorts of things. So it's been really nice in my class. The students like it a lot, and they get into it, and they love changing their avatars and just seeing their points climb. And I've gotten students who never usually participate raising their hand all the time trying to get those dojo points. So it's a nice motivator for students. All right, great. Thanks.